Yeah. I always have players, the younger players, and then the older. I like to follow up on them. My first game of English. We had the best player. We'll never talk about that. You'll see it over there. Sit on it. Go out and have a couple beers and it's great. And then when we traveled, we went to Louisville that one year. There's a blur. Adam said, I don't think my liver can handle it. That was the Thursday night. Yeah, I remember that. They got a little pissed with themselves. Then they were telling me, yeah, my beer. You gotta drink it all by the door. What? Yeah! Don't listen it down. They all started in Rockford. That's when it started. I brought like a six-pack that they need to have like, let's just go to Walmart. That's how it all like kind of started, you know? I think one year, I think a year after that, we did a tailgate. And that was fun too. Yeah. We were talking about that. We would have had a couple more of the lower No, we should though. I mean, actually, I had a So me and Brian went to high school. We graduated. Yeah, I don't think we have any. And Jennifer brought out it's over and done. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is maybe a foot. Yeah, you should see the culture. You didn't reckon. I didn't reckon it. That guy was so I'm like, who's this young? Oh wait, it looks like Jackson. They saw me first back in July and he came back in August. No, I mean if I would have seen him on the street, no. The fact that he came up to me with that, I'm like, oh, Jackson! I had to wait for a little bit. I'm not like I used to be like in my 30s. I used to do every day. When you were born? Yeah, when I was back then, I was more into it than now. Yeah, I'm starting to get more.
So yeah, I know what you mean.
I fought with them for years. We got it yesterday.
Why is that? Why does that happen?
Good team. Oh, they kill me.
Is that out? Oh, wow.
And I was out in the hallway, and he was like,
You know they have your
He has to put earbuds in the music. I'll get there. So, hopefully it's
I still have aspiration for her to grow a couple more inches. I don't know. That was a late. I didn't start growing after sophomore.
That's when I told.
After sophomore,
Between sophomore and junior year, really good. I grew like 10 inches. He's already get it down. I'm hoping they can see that.
I think we still got that. You keep playing sports and you jump to the outside. You know, as far as you get, you start playing sports, you're active, and your body starts responding. You start growing.
I was just 6'6".
It's good to be versatile because it brings both out. For the coaches, it's easier. Like, okay, maybe outside, do there, but some yeah. More control. Serves are a lot slower too. And the boys, I think they're off and faster. So, I mean, they just have to
That's what they do. In his pocket, they go straight up and where they're good.
You know what? You float serve.
Johnson and Bush is Echo Jackson.
Yeah.
Just that little, give it over to Matt. I know. You guys got it.
Yeah, Johnson started a float serve this year. But she started like it's the best way to serve. And then you hit it slow, it'll just die. You have to That's the only reason. But every player knows.
Or even your son. You know what I mean? Like,
you know you want to attack that ball. You saw an opportunity like I haven't got that. I haven't gotten it yet.
yeah, what do you guys listen?
I'm sorry. It's okay. I'm like surprised. I'm like, I need to know. I'm sure. Are you going anywhere else? No. Ah, shit. I'm sorry. It's okay. Thank you.
Line out! Touchdown! There you go!